This is one video, but this is kind of important. I never did this before. A little kosher, about a tablespoon, and then I'm going to throw in my SuperGreens ROTINI. The reason why I'm doing this as a separate video, I'm going to cook that in less than 15 minutes. Pause for the cause. Alright, I thought it was, what? 10 minutes? Not. It's 6. Seriously. Come on, all you little old Italian grandmas, when you see that, what I just did. Angela, come on, seriously. In 6 minutes. I used to live with this Italian lady. Spoke no English at all. Only Italian. And I spoke English, no Italian. I have no idea how we were able to communicate, but we did just fine. Angela, look at that. El dente, perfect. Perfect. I cooked that perfect in 6 minutes. I did a half a wok of water. Obviously, I filtered it. Brought it to a boil, added a little salt, added my SuperGreens RONZONI ROTINI. Cooked it for 6 minutes. It's got that little chew still to it. So, pause for the cause. Every Italian on the planet's going ballistic right now. Asian fusion. Seriously, look at that. I just cooked pasta. 5 minutes to boil the water. This is 12 ounces. I want you to see that. That is 12. There. 12 ounces of RONZONI SuperGreens ROTINI. The reason why we wanted this, we wanted something very green. And look at that. I cooked that in 6 minutes. To perfection. You're coming to my channel for one reason and one reason only. I teach you things that no one ever has. So, love it.